Good evening. I'm Jess Perkins with Casey Wong. Top story, Santa Barbara. 10,000 acres of wooded residential land were scorched in an instant when a laser cannon aboard the Strategic Defense Peace Platform misfired today during routine startup tests. Casey?
Yes, it was a day of mourning for the families of 113 people known dead at this hour. Among them, 2 former United States presidents who had retired in the Santa Barbara area. A day of mourning for a country.
Police.
What are some of the reasons why this event in the film Robocop seems to correlate to something that just happened in the news cycle, January 2025? I believe that it has something to do with the concept of timeline looping, and it could relate to experiments at places like Brookhaven in New York or CERN in Switzerland because of the ways that those concepts of hadron colliders involve rotational magnets burrowed deep underground that, if you ask me, would definitely affect the Schumann resonance. And it depends on how you agree we perceive reality and how we structure reality and perceive time and space. But I believe there's a strong argument that could be made for that they're using these technologies and linking them with computing and having a certain element of interaction with human biofields, which would be like the bioplasma as I guess you could say as some type of a fuel source, but that there was a process that was created through which they've been sending information from a future timeline that has knowledge of what's going to happen, warning far back, like long before now, so that there would be a series of like television series, creative works, films that were consistent among a series of creators, something that you could kind of track and follow, that would be providing clues and tips into what's going on. Robocop's very compelling because it actually lists and names the Strategic Defense Initiative nearly by its exact name, and that was designed by Battelle at Hanford Nuclear Reservation at the Department of Energy. And that's where a lot of the research leads back to in my particular case, which I found really interesting.